Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Devisha Agrawal and I make videos about fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. So today's video is a little special because it's marking my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. Yes, that's right. I posted my first ever video on YouTube like exactly 1 year ago on this day. And it was all about summer fashion, casual summer fashion. If you haven't watched it yet, please go and watch it. I'm super awkward in that one, so I'm sure you'll enjoy. And yeah, I never thought that I would grow so much in just 1 year, and it's like really unbelievable that we are a family of over 25,000 people on my channel, and I cannot be like more grateful for that. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and loving my videos and always being so supportive. I read all of your comments and it just warms my heart. So yeah, coming back to the video. So today's video is again a summer related video because I had to do it, come on. So in this video we are going to talk about some of my summer essentials with respect to fashion, because I have a few pieces in my wardrobe that I absolutely cannot do without when it comes to, you know, looking stylish and fashionable and basically being comfortable in summer, because summer can be tricky and you just want to be cool and comfortable all the time. So I'm sharing this with you all so that you can get idea and insight, and of course you can you know, add some of these pieces in your essential list and you can wear all of these outfits next summer, because ye summer to chala gaya, like literally barish ho rahi hai. So yeah, I mean that's the whole point of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so starting with one of my favorite pieces of all time. It's super versatile and it is this white shirt that I'm wearing today. So it's super cool, it's very comfortable, it's really like airy, so you won't feel hot in summer. And this is one of the like you know, most versatile pieces because it goes with almost everything and it looks super stylish as well, effortlessly stylish. So a good quality white shirt goes a long way. You can literally style it up or style it down according to the occasion, and I think it's a really good investment if you invest in a good white shirt. The second thing is sundresses. Now if you have been following me from a long time, you should know that all my lookbooks have sundresses in them, and I just cannot do without them, and especially in summer because they are super flowy and they just so comfortable and you can not possibly feel hot in those. So yeah, it's a must have if you are going out in the summer in the sun, and they are called sundresses for a reason. So yeah, sundresses for the win. The third thing has to be all those baggy bottoms. Now when I talk about baggy bottoms, there is cargos, paperback pants, all those you know, mom jeans, boyfriend jeans and wide-legged jeans and all of those things. And I've been loving all these this season because they're super comfortable. They are much better than skinny jeans to wear in summer, especially because it's just so airy and I mean it's just comfortable. Now talking about top wear, I personally love wearing like flowy tops like peplum tops or tops with like puff sleeves or things like that, which is like super airy and flowy so that you don't feel hot and it doesn't stick to your body. So it's like really important to own such things because you really don't want all that sweat and heat to get to you. So flowy tops are a must in summer for me. Now summer is all about, you know, colors and pastel colors, and this season actually pastel colors are really trending, like pinks and purple and sky blue, powder blue and green and so many different colors. So yes, I mean I really love wearing colors in summer, and comfortable t-shirts which are oversized. You can literally like, you know, tie them up or tuck them in and it just looks perfect and it's super comfortable. Even if you are staying at home and doing work from home or something like that, it's just the right option. So the next thing is of course the right kind of accessories, because if you have all these clothes but you are not accessorizing them well, then what's the point of it? So some of the summer accessories that I absolutely love is scarves, because you can actually like wear them with tank tops and t-shirts and all of those you know, crop tops and things like that. So scarves is a good option to protect you from heat and it just looks really cool according to me. And apart from that, hats, like bucket hats and even caps are really cool for me, so I prefer styling my outfits with those, and it really looks cute in the pictures, by the way. So that's a win-win situation. And of course, sunglasses, how can I forget these? So these are really cool, and people keep asking me from where I got these. So these are from Shein. They are very old, but I really love them. And yeah, I mean, you can get any pair of sunglasses. It's like, it keeps your eyes protected, and it's super cool, looks super cool. So right kind of accessories is a must. Okay, so the next item in the list is of course skirts, because as you guys know that I absolutely love all the skirt outfits. They look so cute, and especially those flowy skirts, you know, the skater skirts. They are super comfortable and to wear in summer, because they don't stick to your body and there's no sweat or anything, and it just feels nice to wear those cute skirts. And I know that most of you don't wear short clothes, but yeah, you can go for like maxi skirts or midi skirts, or like we have different options in the skirts section. So yeah, if you are into skirts, then go for maxi skirts, midi skirts, and so many more options. And even sundresses you can try for maxis and things like that. They look super cool too. So yeah, you always have that option. Now another thing that is in my list is my absolute favorite. It's a good pair of shorts. Now shorts are really comfortable, and I personally feel really comfortable in them, because I have worn shorts since I was a little girl, and that's why I really like enjoy wearing shorts. But I know that most of you don't, so it's okay. We always have an alternative to that. We have dungarees, we have jumpsuits, and you can always like style them you know, differently. So it's not necessary to wear short clothes to look stylish. So yeah, wear all these other things, and I'm soon going to make a video of no short clothes, and I think you're gonna enjoy that. Now the last thing in my list is footwears. Of course, it's a known fact that in summers you don't want to wear, like, you know, shoes or boots or stuff like that, because it's just not comfortable, and you won't feel you know, nice throughout the day. So always go for flats or chappals, or you know, even the pair that I've shown here. It's like really pretty, but it's really comfortable at the same time. So go for something like this, and yeah, I mean, it's like sorted. That's it for today's video. Those were my top 9 absolute essential items with respect to summer fashion. I really hope that you guys learned something from it. And also, stay home, stay safe, and please don't go out unless it's absolutely necessary and important. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of, you know, behind the scenes and cool pictures over there. And yes, comment down and tell me some of your essential item with respect to summer fashion or in general, because I would love to know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.